Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope so you all are fine and very good. Yes, I am also fine. Thank you so much. So everyone, today we will do revision. Revision for PT 2. Okay? But first we will do prayer. So please stand up, join your hands, close your eyes and repeat after me. अस्तो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतांगमय. Slowly open your eyes. Yes, in our previous lecture we already learned about the vowels like A, E, I, O, U, right? Today we will do revision which is related to PT 2. Okay? आज हम रिवीजन करेंगे जो कि रिलेटेड होके हमारे PT 2 एग्जाम से. ओके? तो everyone please take out your notebook, take out your pencil and eraser also. Hurry up. Here write down revision PT 2. Revision for PT 2. Okay? Write down CW and today's date. Hurry up everyone. First write down the heading. Start your writing work with me. Write down the heading. Write down the heading. Feel. Take one finger distance after the words in the. T, write like this. Vowels. Fill in the missing vowels. Right? Have you completed? Hurry up. Write down number 1. Here, make the picture of cat. Make the picture of cat, sleeping line. Write down the spelling of cat. First write here C, sleeping line. Write down here T. Have you completed? Okay, draw one single line. Divide it into two parts. Have you completed? Okay. Okay, good. Now, here, write down number 2. Make the picture of den. How to make den? Like this. Right here, D, sleeping line, and you have to feel the vowels, right? First you have to learn the all spelling, then you have to feel the vowels. Next, write down number 3. Make the picture of zip. Write down the spelling of Z and P. You have to fill the missing vowel here. Right? Have you noted it? Now go to the next line. Write down number 4. 4. Here. Make the picture of dog. B, sleeping line, G. Okay. Have you completed? I will give you time. You have to write fast. Hurry up. Always say and write. Next, number 5. Write here 1, 0, 10. T, sleeping line, and if you want, you take a screenshot, but please write nicely, write properly. Don't go out of the line. And when I checked some notebooks, I had seen you write T like this. Here, it is wrong. It is wrong formation. You have to T write like this. It is wrong. After a T, I will show. Suppose this is your 4 lines. You have to write T. Just 3 lines, and sleeping line should be here. Okay. This is the correct formation of letter T. ओके टी जब लिखते हैं जो स्लीपिंग लाइन आती है इसके ऊपर से लाइन नहीं देना है आपको। ये जो बीच की 2 लाइंस आती हैं इसके बीच में आपको लाइन ड्रॉ करना है। ओके, नाउ यू अंडरस्टूड? गुड। हैव यू कंप्लीटेड नंबर 5? हियर राइट डाउन नंबर 6. Write down number 6. Make the picture of hand. Have you completed? Now go to the next line. Write down here number 7. Make the picture of pen. T, sleeping line, and have you completed? Write fast, hurry up. Number 8. Make a picture of cup. Have you completed? Good. Now here, what do? You have to see the picture. Which picture is this? You have to write the correct vowel. You have to fill the correct vowel here. Okay? आपको क्या करना है? सबसे पहले पिक्चर्स देखना है कौन सी पिक्चर है, उसके बाद उसकी स्पेलिंग जो आपको लर्न करना है, जो मन में सिखाए हैं उसको आपको लर्न करना है। उसके बाद उस बीच का कौन सा वावल इसमें आएगा वो आपको लिखना है। ओके, समझ में आया? इट इज क्लियर? गुड। विच पिक्चर इज दिस? कैट। व्हाट इज द स्पेलिंग ऑफ कैट? CAT. So which vowel will come here? A. Which vowel will come here? A. So you have to write, you have to fill here A. Have you completed? Good. Now see the next picture. Which picture is this? Den. Which picture is this? Den. Now tell me what is the spelling of den? D-E-N. Very good. D-E-N. Den. So which vowel will come? E. Very good. Here which vowel will come? E. So you have to write here E. D-E-N. Den. D-E-N. Den. Have you completed? Now see next picture. Which picture is this? Zip. You know zip? जो आपकी हुडी में होती है, आपके बैग में होती है, आपके शर्ट में होती है, आपके जैकेट में होती है, उसे कहते हैं जिप। व्हाट इज द स्पेलिंग ऑफ जिप? Z-I-P. जिप। व्हाट इज द स्पेलिंग ऑफ जिप? Z-I-P. जिप। सो यू हैव टू फिल हियर I. Which vowel will come here? I. Now next. Which picture is this? Dog. Which picture is this? Dog. What is the spelling of dog? D-O-G. Dog. What is the spelling of dog? D-O-G. Dog. So which vowel will come here? O. Which vowel will come here? O vowel. So you have to write here O. You have to write here O. Now next. Which number is this? 10. Which number is this? 10. What is the spelling of 10? Earlier I told you. Who tell me? What is the spelling of 10? T-E-N. 10. Very good. So you have to write here T. It is very easy. T-E-N. 10. Very good. Now next. Which picture is this? Hen. Which picture is this? Hen. What is the spelling of hen? H-E-N. Hen. H-E-N. Hen. Which vowel will come here? E. So you have to write here E. Have you completed? Good. Now see the next picture. Which picture is this? Pin. Which picture is this? Pin. What is the spelling of pin? P-I-N. Pin. P-I-N. Pin. So which vowel will come here? I. You have to write here I. Now next. Which picture is this? Hot. Which picture is this? Hot. What is the spelling of hot? H-O-T. Hot. H-O-T. Hot. So which vowel will come here? O. Which vowel will come here? O. You have to write here O. So this is your practice for revision 82. Take out your new page. Write down HW and phrase range. Hurry up. If you want, you take a screenshot. Hurry up everyone, hurry up. Okay, now I am going to rub this. Have you completed? Okay, very good. Now take out one page. Again write CW1 today's date. We will write a new question. It is very easy. You have to join the letter and make a word. Okay? जैसे हिंदी में हम लोग जोड़कर लिखते हैं, वैसे ही आपको लिखना है इंग्लिश में. प्लस को बोलना है जाओ अपने अपने घर. ओके? Take out your page, write down CW and today's date. Here. Write down the heading. Write here. J. First letter always come in capital. Remember this. J O I N. Join. Take one finger distance. Join the letter letters to make. Take one finger distance to make. Take one finger distance a word. Join the letters to make a word. It is very easy. Draw one standing line, divide into two parts. Have you completed? Write down number 1. Write down number 1. Join the letters to make a word. ये क्वेश्चन है, बहुत ही इजी है. इसे हम फर्स्ट टाइम दे रहे हैं. डोंट टेक अटेंशन, बहुत ही इजी है. जो प्लस और इज इक्वल टू है उनको कहेंगे आप जाइए अपने अपने घर और सबको जोड़कर लिखेंगे. जैसे हिंदी में लिखते हैं वैसे ही हिंदी में इंग्लिश में लिखेंगे. ओके? आर यू रेडी? गुड. Now just look here. C plus A P is equal to. C को अगर AP के साथ जोड़ दिया तो क्या होगा? कैट. तो कैसे लिखेंगे? C A P कैट. आया समझ में? ये जो प्लस है और जो इज इक्वल टू है इनको कहेंगे जाइए अपने अपने घर. साइड से हो जाएंगे और C को AP के साथ जोड़कर लिखेंगे. इजी है ना? गुड. तो चलिए नेक्स्ट लिखते हैं. J plus A R. J plus A R. Right here. Jar. Okay? Have you completed? Now go to the next line. Write down number 2. Write here L plus E G is equal to L E G leg. जो फर्स्ट लेटर होता है उसको इन टू लेटर्स के साथ जोड़कर यहाँ लिखना है। जो फर्स्ट लेटर है इसको ये दोनों लेटर के साथ जोड़कर यहाँ लिखना है। सबको साथ में लिखना है, जोड़कर लिखना है। ओके, जॉइन लेटर्स टू मेक अ वर्ड। इससे क्या होता है, वर्ड बनता है। ओके, और आइटम नंबर 4 T plus I N T-I-N T T-I-N-T. Have you completed? Now next, write down number 5. Write here P plus O T. P-O-T, pot. Have you completed? Good. Now here write down number 6. Write down number 6. Write here N plus I B. N-I-B, nib. N-I-B, nib. Have you completed? N-I-B, nib. Now next number 7. Hurry up. Write down number 7. P plus E T. P-E-T, pet. Have you completed? Now next number 8. Write down number 8. Write here S plus I T. S-I-T, sit. S-I-T, sit. Have you completed? If you want to take a screenshot, you have to join this letter with this 2 letters and make a new word. Okay? क्या करना है आपको? जो फर्स्ट लेटर है ये प्लस को हटा के और इस इक्वल टू को हटा के इनके साथ इसको जोड़कर लिखना है। जैसे हिंदी में हम जोड़कर लिखते हैं वैसे ही सेम टू सेम इंग्लिश में भी है। हो गया सबका? वेरी गुड। टेक आउट योर न्यू पेज, राइट डाउन HW and paste it. This is the revision for your PT2. You have to more and more practice. You have to learn the spelling. This is the pattern of your paper. Okay? Now everyone, bye bye. See you tomorrow. Please take care of yourself. Smile. Bye bye.